Today I'm going to cook 2 different dishes from the same ingredients. And this is the ingredients I have. I use food processor to cut all the ingredients. Add in salt, ground pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, sugar and egg. Adding a little sugar balances flavors by enhancing other tastes and counteracting saltiness. I separate some to another bowl for the dumplings. This time I added some bean sprouts in a bowl for the egg roll. Lay the egg roll wrapper out, place filling, then use water to seal it. Don't put a lot or else you have difficulty to seal it. Now, for the dumplings, I use this kind of brand because they hold up well in soups and when fried, offering a good balance of chewiness and softness. There's a lot of ways to wrap a dumpling, but for this video I'm going to use a very simple and fast. Place the wrapper in your palm, add filling, and then use your fingers to pinch and seal the wrapper into its final shape. Brushing oil on the cooking surface to prevent dumplings from sticking. You can also use parchment paper, cheesecloth or cabbage. While waiting for the water to boil, let's look at the wonderful view outside. Wow, dumplings are ready and it smells really good. I can't wait to eat it. Let's put back the cover. This time we are going to deep fry our egg rolls. To prevent egg rolls from sticking, place them in a single layer with space between each other. Turning them one by one to ensure they cook evenly and achieve a consistent golden brown color on all sides.
C'est bon.
Follow for more videos. God bless everyone.